Now the 11th one, first part of it, it says find the sum of the series up to n terms. हमें n terms तक हमें क्या find out करना है? I need to find the sum. And if you see, this is not GP, but we can actually make it in terms of GP. GP में हम convert करेंगे इसको. कैसे करेंगे? You can take 5 common here. 5 would be common and you would have 1 as the value as the first term. Second value would be 11 in this case. Third value you would have is 111. What would be the last term here? It would be up to n terms. It could be up to n terms here. अब यहाँ पे what you can see is कि I can write it in terms of divide it and multiply it by 9. I could do that so that I can convert it into GP. The first thing that is there is I need to convert this values into GP. Otherwise we won't be able to use the sum formula under it. So how you can do this one? It would be multiplied by 9 and divided by 9, because this is the mathematics rule. So if you would do that, it would turn out to be 5 by 9, and in bracket you would have 9, 99 and 999 would be there up to nth term. N terms are there in total. So 9 could be written as 5 by 9 is there in the outside bracket. I would have 9, that's 10 minus 1. For 99, that's 100 minus 1. For 999, that's 1000 minus 1. And up to obviously n terms. Now here I could have 10 minus 1. What is 100 equal to? That's 10 square minus 1. And if I want to write 1000 in terms of exponents, that's 10 cube minus 1 up to nth term. And you would have 10 minus 1 as the first one, because 10 to the power 1 is there. Now try to understand this part. I need to take 10 common out of it. 10 could be 10 and 10 square value, 10 cube value, they are actually in plus summation. And whereas minus 1 कितनी बार repeat होंगे हमारे पास? That's n times. So I could write 5 over 9, and in bracket I would write 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, and up to n terms. Obviously 10 to the power n would be there, and last would be minus 1 n times. So I would be multiplying 1 and n in this case. That's n only. So here in this case we will solve it separately. Let's try to understand कि ये हमारा GP में create हुआ है या नहीं. So yes, this is in GP क्योंकि हमारा common ratio कैसा आ रहा है? It's all same. A value would be 10 in this case. R value in this case would be 10 square over 10 to the power 1. That's 10 only. R is 10. A is 10 in this case. A भी हमारे पास है, R भी हमारे पास है. I could easily find the sum for this expression. So what would be the value here? That would be 10, 10 to the power n minus 1, and I would have 10 minus 1 as well. ये क्या बना है हमारा? Sum for this value. So here in this case I would have 5 by 9. Sum की value लिखोगे यहाँ पे. That's 10, 10 to the power n minus 1, 9 below it, and then put minus n, क्योंकि 1 into n would be n in this case. And yes, the resultant would be in terms of n, क्योंकि उन्होंने हमें क्या बोला था find out करने के लिए? I need to find it for n terms in this case. So what would be the last value here? That's right, 50 would be there here. 9 into 9 would be 81. 10 to the power n minus 1 is there. Then 5 multiplied by n and divided by 9 in this case. So this would be your entire expression for the sum of the nth terms.